Hey guys, it's Coach Tyler here at Crossfit Acadiana. Today I'm in Scott. This is one of 3 locations. We opened up in 2018 or 2019. And so just wanted to take a minute on Memorial Day to kind of introduce you to our friends here at the Scott Gym. So the city of Scott has always been near and dear to me. I grew up right across from the bus stop. I played ball at Scott Middle. I played ball at Scott Park. You know, it's so cool to see some of the new additions that have come to our city, in addition to our nice gym here. So I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of the city and an introduction to our friends that are participating in MERP. Hope you guys have a great day.